Hey class, Miss Thomas here. Today we are going to practice finding addition and counting up on an open number line. So that's what you see here. This is a number line and it shows because numbers can get bigger as they go up the number line and they get smaller as we go down the number line. So we're going to use it today to solve some of our addition problems, okay? So I'll show you how it works. We get to make our own lines and add in the numbers as we go. It's also a great fun way. Along with the hundreds chart, we have this strategy to help us solve addition. So, and later down the road, we'll do subtraction on it too. So here it says, use the open number line to find the sum. Again, we know the sum means two things or three things or four added together. So we're adding. 28 plus 16. So you can start at either number, but normally Miss Thomas says start at the bigger number. It makes less jumps for us to do and less numbers that we can get mixed up in our head as we're adding. So you'll see here, they went ahead and they drew a line on the open number line and they wrote 28. That's our starting spot. From there, we need to go how many more to find our answer? 16. So we look at that number and we look at the 10 and we look at the 1. So how many 10s are there in 16? Just the 1. And then how many 1s are there? 6. So the first jump we would make here is from this 28 and jump 10. So do one big jump up 10. So 28 plus 10 is 38. And we need to add 6 more. So here they chose to jump up 2 more, 38, 39, 40, because then 40 is a nice even number to count with, and we know we need to go up 4 more because we're adding 6 total. So 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Okay, 44. That is going to be our answer. We've gone up 10, and then we've gone up 6 more, which is the 10 and the 6. And that gets us to 44. All right, let's try the next one. Enter the sum. You can use the open number line to help. So let's look at our two numbers, 42 plus 37. Go over here to your tools and get yourself a color of a crayon or a pencil. And we're going to start with the bigger of the two numbers. Which one's bigger, 42 or 37? 42. So go ahead and draw a line, okay? And then underneath it, just again, write as nice and neat as you can. It's hard on the computer, I understand, so we're just going to do our best. Mine aren't perfect either, but we're going to write in 42. Then we're going to look at our number and look at the 10s, and we're going to look at the 1s. How many 10s do I have to jump on my number line? I need to go 3 10s. Now this part is up to you, however you choose. We can do it like this, 10, 20, 30, or if you choose, you can do one jump and go ahead and say that's plus 30, okay? Otherwise, you would write plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, okay? So 42 plus 30, let's just look at the 10s. We're gonna go 42, 52, 62, 72. I've gone up 3 10s to 72. So let's mark that on our number line, 72, so we don't get confused with the numbers because we're doing lots of stuff. So we want to make sure we keep ourselves organized. So we've jumped 3 10s, 42, 52, 62, 70. Okay, now we need to look at the 1s. Go back and look. How many more do we need to jump? 7. To start, let's go ahead and just do individual marks, okay? So we can do 72, and we need to do 7 more. 72, so let's do 72. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's count them. 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. So our last one we got to by counting up is 79. Okay, so again, it's hard on the computer, but we can try to make these little bounces kind of look like this as we go. So it's kind of like bounce up the number line as we go and we stop. This is going to be our answer. That's our final number. We've gone up 3 10s and 7 1s to get us to 79. Let's type in 79, and we did it. Good job. Very, very good job. Let's try another one. Enter the sum. You can use the open number line to help. We will, because we like this open number line. Which number are we going to start at? 21 or 27? Which one's bigger? 27. Again, we don't have to. You could start at the other one if you want, but starting at the bigger number, oftentimes it's less markings to do and less numbers to get confused with. Okay, so we start at the very left side of our number line, and because we know we're going to be adding from here, so we want as much space on our number line as possible. If I started somewhere in the middle, I might have to crunch and cram all of my numbers in here. So I start way over at the left, and I'm going to write in 27. 27. Okay. From there, we look back over at our other number. How many 10s do we need to move? 2. And then how many 1s do we need to move? 1. So again, this is up to you. If you want to do by 10s, we do 10, 20, or you can do one jump like this and say that it was plus 20. Okay. So 27, 37, 47. Counting up by 10s, 47. Okay, so we got our 10s place. How many 1s? Just 1. So from 47, do a line. 47 plus 1 is 48. And see, already numbers are kind of crunched, but that's okay. And underline it so you know that that's your final one. We've stopped at 48. Let's type that in. 48. Good job. Let's go on to the next. There are 18 apples in a basket. There are 27 apples on a tray. Enter how many apples there are in all. I hear those words, in all, and I know that I'm putting them together. We're adding, okay? So we can use this open number line. Look at our two numbers. What numbers are we adding together? 27 plus 18. Let's start with which number on the number line. Which one should we start with? The bigger number is 27. Write it. 27. And we're going to go up how many 10s and then how many 1s? Let's go up 1 10, and that's going to get us to 37. Okay. And then 8 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's count up from here, okay? And this is 8. So you can break this apart however you want. It could be 5 plus 3. If you wanted to do a jump that way, 5 first, and then a few more, okay? However you choose, we just got to get them all on our number line, nice and neat, so we can count up. Okay, so first we jumped 10, 27 plus 10 is 37. Now let's count by 1, so we need to go up 8. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 is what we jumped up to. 45 is our stopping point on the number line. Go ahead and underline that so we remember that's our stopping point. Okay, some of our number lines are going to look a little bit different. You can do what we did on the first one where you do the little bounces from each of the numbers if you choose, or you can do these bigger jumps as long as you write in how many you're doing. Let me pause. There's an announcement. All right, so our final spot there is 45. Let's type in 45. Done. Great job. Okay, the next one here says Jamie has 24 more berries than Lisa. Lisa has 48 berries. Enter how many berries Jamie has in all. So we know Jamie has 24 more than Lisa. So we're going to start at 48 and count 24 more to figure out how many she has together, okay? So let's grab a pencil, pick your color, whatever you choose, and go ahead and write in the bigger number, 48, on your number line. From there, from 48, we know we're going to have to go up how many 10s and how many 1s? 2 10s. So you can either do 10, 20, like that, or you can do just one full jump and say we went up 20. Up to you, whatever you choose, whatever is easiest for your mind to help keep track. So from 48, 58, 68. Okay, so let's write that too. Write it on the number line so we don't get ourselves confused as we go. 68, mark that. Now look at our ones. How many ones? We need to go up 4 more. Let's do 4 ticks. 48, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count up from 68. 68, 69, 70, 71, and 72. Let's write that in again so we don't forget. Underline it. That's our final answer, 72. We did it. All right, guys. Last one. Drag the numbers under the number line to show how to find the sum. So let's just take a quick look. Look at the numbers we're looking at and let's try to figure this out. I know I'm going to be adding and going up by tens. So let's kind of look here and see what the smallest number is. 50 something, 30, 50, 40, 27 looks like a pretty good starting place. 27 plus 10, 27, 37. Plus another 10, 37 plus 10, 47. Plus another 10, 57. Plus how many ones? One more. Let's add that. Look at that. We drug all the numbers, no more choices. Let's hit done. And we did it. Great practice today. I look forward to seeing yours too, okay? Let me know if you have any questions at all. Talk to you later. Bye.